Albert Einstein once said, "The world that you live in is the word of your thinking." Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Karuna Malik. Now, this is a very powerful statement that our world is made up of our thinking, because the thoughts that we think every day defines what is happening around us, because these thoughts are very powerful. And as you would have heard, these thoughts lead into some action, and then those actions lead to results, which then becomes our life. How are these thoughts controlling your life? Let me tell you a little story. This is a story of a coachee that I am working with. And this coachee is someone who always tells a story which is full of trauma, full of a struggle. Those stories that are coming out, where do you think they come from? They come from the kind of thoughts that this person think whole day. And did you know that 80% of the thoughts that we think as a human being are negative? How powerful is that? 80% of our thoughts during the day are negative. And imagine if you are dwelling on all those thoughts, that is creating a big negative loop inside your mind. What can you do to change your thoughts? Use these affirmations to help you to get over these negative emotions that you feel during the day. And this might be happening very often, given 80% of these thoughts are not serving you. Here is what you can do. You can put hands on your heart and you can say to yourself, take your name out loud and say, "I forgive myself for feeling these negative emotions over and over again. I'm sorry for always writing these thoughts and just building on these negative emotions. Please forgive me, my dear body, for putting you through these negative emotions, because I know these negative emotions are hurting you as well. I want to thank this enlightenment of realizing that these emotions are bringing me down in my life and are not serving my purpose of being a human." Take your name and say, "I love myself the way I am, and I am going to accept myself for whoever I am, because I am my own best friend. I choose not to write these negative emotions. Instead, just move on and affirm to myself that I am choosing to just think positive thoughts. I choose to think positive, because if I think positive, this is what's going to happen. I am going to think positive. I am going to think what I want to happen in my life. And I will always choose the best for myself. I am so sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." Say these affirmations and see how it helps to rewire your brain, and you are able to get away from these negative loops that are playing inside you. Because remember, it's what you are thinking is defining the world around you, and you want your world to be wonderful, full of happiness, peace and contentment. Then those are the thoughts that you need to start thinking. Let me know in the comment box, how did you go practicing these affirmations and what change did you notice? And you can give these affirmations a try 2 times a day, in the morning and the evening. Look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you for watching.